Just acquired this very rare Alfa MiTo. It's a special edition. It's the Speciale. It's drives lovely in a diesel. It's quite nippy. We've got the carbon pack on it. It's got quite a lot of extras on it. It's got the smoke chrome alloys with the yellow calipers. It's finished in satin grey. It is not a metallic colour. It is your satin finish. It's got rear park distance control. Boot area is in lovely condition. Supplied by Mangalesti. Really does gleam in this sun. Very rare paint. It's got bows. Alcantara seats, all in lovely condition. Inside the car, it's lovely. It has done 46,855 miles. We've just serviced it, it's an MOT'd it. It's got your connectivity here. It's got Bluetooth and it's got the applications to put through. It's got the Uconnect to connect your phone and everything with it for the media. Sat nav as well, not on the here, but you do it through your phone on the Connect Live. The carbon finish, like I say, it has got quite a lot of extras, being the Speciale. This red stitched piping, got an aux and a USB, nice little armrest, sounds lovely. It's got multifunction steering wheel. I think I've mentioned the bows. Well, that all looks lovely up there as well, it's all nice. There are a few blemishes on the car, with it being the satin finish. A few up there, little mark on there, and a few on the bonnet, across there. DJH, we offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.